Here we have a very interesting high-rise hotel here. Let's go inside and check it out. It's called the Tower Hotel. Let's go. Look at this place. It does. Interesting. To IHOP elevator. Hold on. I want to see what the IHOP elevator is. Oh my God, there's an elevator to the IHOP, to the SkyHop. Here's this one. Huh. All right. The Fallsview Tower Hotel.
Going up.
Up to 29. Keeps beeping in the express sound. Pretty basic. Oh, here we are. There's service cars here?
9.
No.
Going down.
Oh my God, look at that thing. There's the penthouse elevator. Hold on. Hold those doors open. Interesting, very interesting layout here. Here's the lantern. Oh my God, this thing's eager to close.
Going down.
Going down.
Please
Thank you.
stand clear of the closing doors.
Uh-oh.
Going down.
Going down. All right, now that we're in the express zone, there's your fixtures. Typical regular Otis. These used to be Otis Touch, and I think that would have been a lot cooler to see, but these are still neat.
Lobby.
Level.
Going down.
Oh, these are going down. So, oh yeah.
Going down.
There's that one. And that is all.